अस्य श्रे नवार्णव महामन्त्रस्य ब्रह्म विष्णु रुद्र ऋषय ब्रह्म विष्णु रुद्र ऋषय गायत्री उष्णिक अनुष्ठुन चंदाम्पि श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती देवता नंदा शाकंभरी भीमशक्तय रक्तधंतिका दुर्गा भ्रामर्यो बीजानि अग्निर्वायु सूर्य सत्वानि श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती प्रीत्यर्थे मम सर्वाभीष्ट सिद्ध्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः. It is a very powerful mantra. Mama sarvabhishta siddhyarthe, whatever the wishes you have, so all those wishes to fulfill, this mantra is used. Om asya Sri Navarnava Mahamantrasya Brahma Vishnu Rudra Rishaya Gayatri Ushni Anushtan Chandampi. Chandan, see Chanda, the grammar is Gayatri. Gayatri mantra, the first root mantra, and it follows the same. Gayatri mantra is very powerful, which heals and which gives everything. So this is a very powerful mantra, follows the same same style. Sri Mahakali, it's given by Brahma Vishnu Rudra Rishaya, the sound in which the style, the sound of silence, the sound of the mantra, the style of the mantra, and the grammar of the mantra is given by Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra. Gayatri Vishnin Anashta Chandampi Sri Mahakali Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Devata, the female devatas are Mahakali. Kali is destruction force. Mahalakshmi, so construction force. Saraswati, education force. So all these are the three are respective forces, respective awareness fields. Sri Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, Devata, Nanda Shakambhari Bhima Shaktaya. So these are the female entities of Mahakali. It has, the tattva has the female part of it. Devata, angels, female angels, male angels. They are called linga, gender, female gender. It is a gender quality of, and there is a gender, male gender, linga veda. Every mantra has the feminine part of it and male part of it. Every mantra has two sides of it. We must understand male and female part of it. So both are balanced, then only it is a mantra. Then only it is called root mantra. So every mantra has to have positive pole and negative pole. Then only electricity passes. Then only the mantra is charged. That's why the female. So Rudra means the one who kills is called Kali, Mahakali. We should be merciless in changing our addictions, our weaknesses, and to get over our weaknesses, and we have to be merciless. We should never spare even a moment. So we should cut our negative qualities, Mahakali. Why female? So only mother corrects the child. So female awareness is only the male. Male in the house, he won't He doesn't know how to brought up the children, only female knows. So only mother knows. Mahalakshmi knows. Sustenance. How to grow your pleasures, controlled pleasures. Controlled pleasures. Everything, all our entertainment has to have a design, controlled. If there is no control, leads to sick, money, anything. So we are food or so our living, clothes, all these things, anything in excess, it is a problem. So controlled living, simplicity, living in simplicity. We need Lakshmi, wealth, all kinds of the sustenance. All our sustenance in this universe, without money nothing can happen. Without comforts we can't sustain. But comforts are more, money is more. So money is over misused problem, abused problem. So money using for the right purpose, for the right reason, to what extent is called Mahalakshmi. Using Lakshmi for a noble purpose. Using Kali for a noble purpose. Mahakali, Mahalakshmi. Lakshmi is different, Maha is different. Maha means you are using for the right purpose. Your entire money you are using it for yoga. Your entire money you are using for spirituality. And not again the spirituality to get it addicted to de-addiction you are using. Your purpose and your killing is for the evil, not for the good. So everything is a Maha, noble. It has to have a noble purpose. Mahatma Gandhi, Maha, a noble person. He never did anything. So ahimsa, non-violence. It is everyone can accept, everyone can follow. It is to be followed. Maha, right purpose. Similarly, Maha Saraswati, wisdom. In ignorance we create, opposite of wisdom is Saraswati. Saraswati. So that's why this is called trialogy, female trialogy. This is called female Shakti, Trishaktis. These are called three Shaktis. So female trialogy, they are very, very powerful. Their male counterparts of the things are called Nanda, Shakambhari, Bhima, Shaktaya. Female, male are called Nanda. And Shakambhari. They are the temples in India, Shakambhari, and then called Bhima Shaktaya, where you have to keep energy, Bhima, energy is required, effort is required, it's all about wisdom and effort and surrender. All these are the qualities required. Shakambhari and Nanda, the female, or the male part of the female gender of a mantra. So it has Brahma, Saraswati. I have not written here Saraswati. Mahalakshmi, Maha Saraswati. Your education, not for the knowledge. All our education is for becoming a good person. All our education is for happiness. What is considered as education? Education is only vidya, only wisdom, only spirituality, only science of observation is only called wisdom. That ends entire impermanent field, a permanent happiness. That's why what is required is a wisdom called Maha Saraswati, Mahalakshmi, Mahakali. And so for that entire, the life purpose should be, and our entire energy should go only into this, Bhima. Raktadhantika Durga Brahmariya Bhejane. Raktadhantika Durga Brahmariya Bhejane. Seeds, seed mantras are. So Raktadhantika, Kali is called, and also called Durga, is also called Brahmari. So Bijani, so the seed mantra is, what is powerful is a Kali, destruction force. So to remove entire memory, all the memory is created. So the problem is there, so problem can be removed only by Raktadhantika Durga Brahmariyo Bijani Agnirvaya Surya Sattvani. So all the elements should be dissolved. Agnirvaya Surya Sattvani Sri Mahakali Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Prijyarde Mama Sarva Bhishta Sijyarde Jape Viniyogaha. So it pleases. If we follow this, if we use our money for the right purpose, that's a pleasing. If we use it for the right purpose, if we are alert with respect to removing the negativity in us, if we are very corrective in nature, and if we have a wisdom in place of ignorance, that pleases them. What pleases them is for the right use. Mama sarva bhishta siddhyarte jape viniyogaha. All our wishes are fulfilled. So the mantra itself has so much of meaning. Om Aim Om Hrim Om Klim Chamundaye Viche Chamundaye. Chamundi, this mantra this is called summary. The main mantra is, or bija mantra, or the dessert mantra, root mantra, short mantra is called, Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche Aim. Om. Aim. Hrim. Klim. Chamundaye Viche Chamundaye. You have in India Chamun, all the temples you have, Chamundaye Viche. So this is the root mantra. These are the main course, the starter, the main course, and there is the dessert. So short, when you don't have time to understand, but we must read completely, understand who has given, then only it works. And then this is the application of the mantra, it is the tool. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. That's the way it has to be used. So with this, today, our invocation, our start, the sound, in the process of understanding this mantra, we understood what is the chitta, how it forms, what is chitta vritti nirodha. We will understand as you go on hearing again and again, you will understand this vocabulary. So the first shloka and the first mantra, the root mantra, yesterday we covered one mantra and today we are covering other mantras.